Hi everyone, this is Ryan Wisner. We're here today at the ARA 2020 show in Orlando. I'm here with Tim Phelps from Barreto Manufacturing, and we've got a new mini skid steer line that they're getting into. So Tim, could you tell me a little bit about this new machine?
Yeah, so again, this is a new machine for us. It is, we call it the 825 TKL,
okay.
And it is the 800-pound capacity mini skid steer.
Okay.
Overall lifting capacity of this unit is 2,300 pounds. The unit itself weighs around 3,000 pounds.
Okay.
We're powering it with a Kubota 1105 diesel engine,
okay.
And that's around 25 horsepower. Again, new class for us. We're going to be building these in limited production this year, and yeah, pretty excited about this. It's a great new product for us.
Sure. Okay. And so we're obviously here at the ARA show, so you
Yes.
can see this as being something pretty good for the rental market then?
It is. This is something that we've seen in the rental for many years. We've actually been working on it for quite some time. These have been in the rental market. They were first introduced as wheeled machines. The tracks have kind of taken over a little bit.
Sure.
And again, this is our only model. This is kind of the size class that we see, that we wanted to get into. We see a lot of these.
Okay.
Yeah, and it's a nice tool for rental. You know, it kind of gives a lot of different has a lot of different things as far as when they go to rent out. People, there's an array of attachments that utilize a universal attaching plate on the front.
Okay.
So
okay.
Most of the ones that are out there utilize all the same attachments, and they're all set up to run all the same attachments. So yeah, it's something that's been in rental for quite some time, and
okay.
It's still popular and seems to be evolving quite nicely.
Okay. So what sorts of applications are there for a machine like this then? I mean, being a mini skid, so it's similar that you'd have with a skid steer. It's just a little tighter, but it's so it can get into some smaller areas perhaps?
Yeah, so you do have your large skid steers, but a lot of times people are going to want to use these in the backyard application,
okay.
Places like that, places to where they just don't have the room for a large unit, or for a homeowner. You know, a homeowner is going to find that a large skid steer is pretty intimidating. You
sure.
know, something like this is going to be a lot less intimidating, and
yeah.
if you've never ran a skid steer before, a large one or a small one, you could take this one, it's very intuitive, and you could use it.
Sure.
You know, you could say, okay, yeah, I can handle that. You know, I can go in, I can use the bucket for tearing up a yard, or a tiller, or a trencher, whatever
okay.
you may need.
Sure.
So it is they are a nice tool. A lot of different people can use them, and again, it's being able to get into tight areas as well.
Sure. Okay. So, like you said, into the backyards and stuff. So, I mean, landscapers
yes.
would
Yep.
utilize something like
and
this.
a lot of landscapers own these.
Okay.
So they own them, they rent them. Again, they have all the different attachments that they could do if they need to go in and do a sprinkler system and then replant that lawn or something. They can go in, they can till it up, they can put the sprinkler system in, and they can run, put a tiller attachment on it, run the tiller through there.
Okay.
Just very versatile machines.
Sure. So and yours does have the universal attachment
yes,
plate. So I mean,
yes.
so you do it.
Yep.
They would have the ability on yours to
yes.
Utilize the various
yes.
attachments.
And a lot
that are
of companies
available.
already have their attachments. And rental stores are going to already have attachments, and the attachments are readily available.
Okay.
And they are, and there is a lot of them, a lot of
sure.
different ones.
Sure. Okay. So as far as the machine itself, then, I mean, with it being good for the rental market and stuff, and kind of intuitive, what about in terms of maintenance-wise?
Maintenance-wise on this, when we go out and when we engineer something, we always engineer with maintenance in mind. So we try to make it to where it's easily accessible. This machine, you can actually, any of your routine maintenance, oil changes, filter changes, anything like that, can be done by just popping the hood up.
Okay.
The other thing that we have incorporated on this machine is it is like the full-size skid steers, where it has an actual cab over design.
Okay.
So it takes about 30 minutes to cab this over, so then that would give the operator, the owner of the machine, an ability to go in there and replace engines, major repairs with ease, because
okay.
you can cab that over.
Sure.
And so that was another feature that we wanted to incorporate on this type of a machine.
Mm-hmm. Okay. All right. Fair enough. Well, what else? Is there anything else you can maybe tell me about this particular model?
I think that's pretty much it. I mean, it's again, these are already in the industry,
Sure.
and we're getting into it. We have developed a couple different things. Would mention on the track roller system,
Oh,
we've
perfect,
kind of
yeah.
done some different things there. We
Yeah.
have 2 sets of bogies that actually articulate.
Okay.
So when you're actually going across hard soils, rocks, things like that,
Mm-hmm.
you can actually absorb that a little bit. It increases the ride. It makes it a lot smoother riding.
Okay.
That was another area that we wanted to focus on and that we
Sure.
accomplished.
Yeah, absolutely.
So-
Okay. And is Barreto? I mean, this is the first model. I mean, is there in the future will there be potentially other sizes or other variations
As of
on
right
this?
now, this is obviously our only model.
Sure.
The plan is to proceed with this one, get it into full production, and then we'll kind of evaluate from there.
Okay.
If anything, we'll probably maybe look at doing a smaller model next.
Sure.
But again, we have quite a bit of work in front of us just on this one.
Oh, absolutely, absolutely. So and so are these? These are in production this year then?
Yes, they are. Yes,
Okay.
they are in production, limited production this year, and we'll probably be in, our plan is to be in full production for 2021 on this product.
Okay, excellent. And to find some more information on these products, where can people go?
Yeah, you could go to our website, which is barretomfg.com, and that's where you can find more information on this product and all the Barreto products.
Thanks for telling us about the 825 TKL, and we'll see you at the next show.
Well, thank you.
Thanks a lot.